Hello, I'm Dr. Ashish Parnani, founder and director of SkillUVA Learning Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to use SkillUVA platform, especially the website version of it. So starting off, almost all the things are same when it comes to, let's say, the website, the platform, or the mobile application also. The process is all the same. So I'm using it, the website platform, to help you understand how to use it, how to enroll in a course, how to download something if you want to, so that you can get better at it. So let's start. So to sign up in a particular platform in this SkillUVA, just click on login. So when you log in, you can see here it's coming sign up. So if you are new on the platform, first of all, you have to sign up. When you sign up, then you will get your login details in your email ID. And then from there, you can start logging and start using the platform. I already have my login details. So what I'll do is I'll straight away can click on continue with Google, or I can do it continue with email. So I'll use either of the two. What I'll do is I'll continue with email. So I have my email address, and then I put my password. Now I got a welcome message. Welcome, ready to grow? Yes, I am ready to grow. So now, because I'm already a VIP member, so I have what I have is it's written active courses. So my all active courses are here. You can see that. So active courses means everything in my membership will be shown, what I have done or what I can use, what I can learn. Everything is mentioned here. So these are the courses all included in my membership, ebooks included. My downloadable content is also included in the membership, and I can use it anytime. So let's say how to use it. Now you can see first on the left side, you have library. When I click on library, you get two options: active courses and archived courses. Active courses, already everything which is active on the platform is for you here. And you can click and you can use it, enroll on the course, read the books, whatever you want to do. Then the second is the bookmark. If you want to bookmark something, you can bookmark it. The third is the community. Now the community is amazing thing. As you can see that there is a message from SkillUVA Learning Academy. Then there are some replies also. You can see here, Suresh has said great. Charu has said awesome. Rachna has said great. SkillUVA has then replied. Then Divya has said hello. So no, we are the learners community, and you can see at the time of recording this particular learning video, we have 324 learners in the community already. So this is 3 months. We have more than 300 learners. So I would welcome you, join this community, be a part of it. If you're not a part of the learning community, it's a wonderful community, engaging, exchanging things also, because it's a growing community. We have just started with it. The engagement is less, but it will continue to grow on. And in the community itself, anything we have some new courses, new ebooks, we do have the announcement facility. So we announce here. As you can see, we have announces. This announcement was made for the new ebook. Then this particular new masterclass also. Then this particular resource content. So on a regular basis, we have some new announcement being made so that our members can know about this wonderful platform. So this is what you get. Now, if you want to go to the website, the main platform, then you click on this box. Now it will give you the entire, your website comes into your place. You can see your entire website, the SkillUVA website. Okay, so now whatever you have in the membership, you can just explore it from the main website. Or if you want to again go to the dashboard, you can go to the dashboard like this. So it will again put you to the dashboard. So this is your learner's dashboard. If you click on this one, this icon, now this is your profile icon. You will come here. This is your profile picture over here. If you have not put it, you can change it. Then your update profiles. If you want to update it, you can save it here. Password option is there. If you want to delete your profile, then you have delete option as well. Then subscription, whatever subscription you have, let's say chosen, the VIP membership, see it's here. All the details of your VIP membership will come here under subscription. Then if you have purchased something, if you have coins, it will come under your My Wallet section. Currently, I don't have any SkillUVA coins. I have zero, so I don't have anything. Earlier, I was having two, but it got expired. So every coin has an expiry date around 30 days of time. So you will have that in under my wallet also. If you want to know your purchase history, then you can use the purchase history also. See, I have purchased something. So I have my purchase history. So that is also wonderful. If I have got any notifications, so all the notifications, current or latest notifications will be here so that you can get notified whatever new is coming on SkillUVA. So this is your account page or your profile section that you can see it. So now let's go to the uh, main website. See, again, I'm telling you, you can use the main website or you can go to dashboard again. If you want to, let's say, browse from dashboard. So let me see, let me show you. Let's say, let's start with a particular course, how to enroll for a course, how to start a course. Enrolling course is very easy. You just have to buy a membership and the course is already enrolled. You don't have to separately enroll in a course. So let's say, I like leadership course. So let me just start a leadership course. So what you do, just click on it. Very simple. Click on the leadership course and it will just start. The learning window will come. And I don't know whether you can listen to the audio, but I'll make it possible to you so that you can listen to this audio as well.
Traits you should possess is the ability to influence, inspire, and encourage.
I hope you are able to listen. So this is what the learning section is all about. Now, if you can see, this is lesson 1, lesson 2, all these lessons will come. Now, this lesson 1 is a video based, as you can see the sign of video. So this is playing. If you want to certify yourself, if you want a certificate after the course, so please don't use the speed option. There is a speed option also here. There is a quality option also here. But if you want to get certified, please don't use the speed option. Otherwise, you will not be certified. If you want a certificate, you have to watch the whole video. That is the complete video, complete course. So complete it one by one. Once you complete the lesson 1, then only the lesson 2 will be unlocked. As you can see, the lesson 2, lesson 3 are logged currently. And last, if you finish the complete 10 lessons, then the influential leader ebook will be unlocked. That ebook, you can download it, keep it in your laptop or phone, and you can self-study whenever you like it. And after that, there is a certificate. As you can see, if I'm clicking currently what it's giving me, you need to complete the course. So I have to complete the complete course, full course, then only my certificate will be unlocked. And it will unlock, you will click on it, it will unlock, and you can download your certificate. Okay, so this is about how to enroll in a course or how to start a particular course. So very easy, very wonderfully mentioned and described and explained. Left hand side, you have the lesson name, and right hand side, it's the learning video or the player which has started. So let me just start it again, just to show you that how it's done.
Your team. When you can do this, you can bring the very best work out of each individual and thereby help the collective team to achieve amazing things. So how do you influence and inspire as a leader?
So this is a particular course. I hope you get a good learning how to use it. If you want to maximize it, you can maximize, that is a full screen. And you want to exit it, you can exit the full screen also. You can change the audio also, the volume part also. You can do the forward thing also, but if you want a certificate, you cannot do it. I would say not to do it. Okay. So this is about a particular course. Now, next one. So this was about course. So like this only, all the courses are like this only. You can enroll in any course and you can start any course and learn like this. Now let me take you to the second category called masterclass. How to start a particular masterclass. Till now, we have 4 masterclass present. So let me share with you one masterclass. Now, let me show you one thing, this amazing thing. See, you can see that this masterclass is, I presented, I'm the trainer for this masterclass, Dr. Ashish Parnani. But this masterclass is by Nikki Francis. So let me tell you, it's the masterclass sessions are not just taken by one trainer, not me. But masterclass sessions are taken by other trainers and coaches as well who are already a part of SkillUVA alumni. Those alumni are certified by SkillUVA. These are trainers and coaches. And now and then you will see a lot of other alumni also, a lot of other trainers, not just from India, but outside India also, taking those masterclass sessions. So you will not be just learning from me, but many other people as well. Wonderful experts, wonderful legends of their domain areas. So let me give you just a couple of uh, masterclass overview, how it looks like. So let me share with you this servant leadership. So you just click on it and it will start. Official training masterclass on servanthood leadership. People should then properly or correctly servant leadership. He became a servant to lead other people. So as you can see, this is on servant leadership. So this is a complete masterclass. Okay, wonderful, complete understanding, wisdom on any subject area. So this is servant leadership. Let me show you Nikki's as well. So Nikki Francis, our alumni,
good morning, dear
took
friends.
on
My name is
interpersonal
Nikki Francis,
communications.
and I'm a certified soft skills trainer. I've been in the corporate world for almost 17 years, with almost 5 to 6 years of experience in the corporate world.
So this is again around 54 minutes masterclass, amazing masterclass, in-depth knowledge and skill enhancement. And at the bottom, see, you can see when you complete the video, you can download this amazing high impact communication guide also. So please look at on the left-hand side what you have for downloads or what kind of content we have for you. So this is again from our masterclass, our alumni. Now, the latest what we have for you is the Hindi as well. So this is the Hindi masterclass on selling skills. And you can enroll and you can start that also. आप सबका स्वागत है SkillUVA के इस फिर से बहुत ही शानदार मास्टर एटीट्यूड। एक सकारात्मक रवैया होना बहुत जरूरी है। और so as you can see, you can hear it. This is on Hindi. Left hand side, you have some downloadable resources. You have some Hindi audio also. If you don't have time to watch video, you can use it the audio as well. So we have the audio as well for you. So this is about the SkillUVA masterclass. So again, amazing thing that you can have wonderful learning every month you have. So every month we post different kinds of masterclass, different topics, different subjects. So that was courses. We have masterclass. I have shared with you the community access also. Now let me take you to training material. So training material, again, because I am a VIP member, and so whatever, when you go to training material and whatever you have purchased or whatever you have in your VIP membership, included in your VIP membership, that will be shown here. So you can see this, all these things are for me to use it because these are included in a membership. Now, this is not included, but I have purchased this. So this is also included and it is showing in my training material what I have purchased. So let's say if I click on this digital marketer, digital thinker, let me click on this. If I have to download it, I just have to click on download. When I click on download, as you can see, the new windows pops up and it is asking me to download it. So this is how you can just simply click one click and you can download the content what you have. So when I talk about training material, almost all the things are downloadable content. Let me show you again. If you've purchased, let's say, the games pack, you just click on it and then click on download. That's it. You don't have to go anywhere else. Let me show you one more method of downloading these things. How to download it from the main website. So let's say if I go to resources, now if I know that what material I have purchased, I'll just click on it. I just have to click on continue. It is not asking me to purchase because I've already purchased it. I just click on continue and see. Again, it's showing me the download option. Why? Because I've purchased it. So I just click on download and same, it will show me the download box and I can download my laptop or you can download in your phone as well. So this is how the downloadable content looks like, or this is how you can download the content as well. So the last part in the VIP membership is on the platform is how to use it. This is about ebooks. So we have wonderful ebooks for you. And let me tell you, every week we are adding new ebooks and new content. So please look at it, what new is coming, you can read it. So let's look at it, how you can use the ebook. Let's see if you want to, just for an example, let's say life coaching and motivation. You click on it and the whole ebook comes in front of you. Very simple. Now you can read it. This is next page. Next pages, you can go for full screen. You can minimize it, zoom in, zoom out. You can bookmark a particular page also, and you can read it. Amazing content for you. You can read it for your wonderful development. So this is all for you. And if you're using it, using SkillUVA on mobile application, let me tell you, you can download the ebook on your mobile app and you can read it offline as well. Okay. So this is about ebooks. So this is how, my dear learner, all the SkillUVA platform, especially the VIP membership looks like. And I've shown you how to use the courses, how to start courses, download the certificate, the international learners community, how to start the ebook reading, the application uses as well, how to download the whatever content you have, how to start the membership on a whole. So this is the complete SkillUVA platform and how to use it guide. I wish you all the best. Continue to learn, continue to inspire others as well, and share with your friends and families and your known circle about SkillUVA so that they can also get the affordable learning and start SkillUVA VIP membership and continue and strive for a positive change in their lives and other lives as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you inside SkillUVA with some new learning. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.